Worlds from Words is a virtual reality experience that explores stories from members of the homeless spectrum and how these stories would manifest as a virtual environment. Users explore designed spaces in VR as they quest to find audio fragments extracted from the recorded stories. The project serves to educate users and to help them empathize with the stories behind the statistics. Research areas for this project include interview analysis and data collection, immersion and virtual reality, informed design, and collaboration. The design process was iterative, relying on Github for source control. Physical exploration of Bristol city centre and academic literature were used as reference points for this project. Sources covering game immersion, homelessness statistics, verbatim conversations, and art aesthetic were all used to inform the design of this project. Plus, curiosity in learning to develop for virtual reality really drove this project forward. This experience uses the isolative nature of VR to alert the users to the loneliness and self-driven aspects of homelessness. Statistics in the experience are represented by billboards and allow the user to engage with factual information regarding the homeless. A collection mechanic serves as the core gameplay element to nurture exploration throughout the informed environments. Users collect orbs from around the environment that unlock small fragments of the full interviews.
No, I have been homeless in the past.
The words, known as voids, flock towards the user periodically, as if to chase them, but then to ignore them. Thank you for watching this video on Worlds from Words.